Get ready, tech fans. Qualcomm Pulse is dropping the hottest market news faster than a chip upgrade. We're talking about Broadcom CEO Hock E and his massive AI revenue targets tied to his pay. This isn't just about a bonus, it's about the future of AI leadership at one of the biggest semiconductor players. The board has made it crystal clear. Hock E.'s compensation is now directly linked to Broadcom crushing its artificial intelligence revenue goals through the end of the decade, with payouts potentially skyrocketing if they hit ambitious targets. Stick around to find out what this means for the AI race. And the market pulses keep on beating. We're also bringing you the latest price action and forecasts for some of the biggest names. Will Broadcom continue its climb after a recent stall? We've got the bullish forecast. Plus, we're checking in on Chevron, Horton, and Dominion Energy with expert insights on their next moves. Get the financial pulse you need right here. But wait, there's more. The AI chip arena is heating up, and Broadcom is making some serious waves, even challenging the reigning champ, Nvidia. We're diving deep into how Broadcom is stealing the spotlight with its diversified revenue and how it's positioning itself not just as an alternative, but a powerhouse in the AI semiconductor space. Is Nvidia's reign over? We've got the scoop. And to top it all off, the analyst community is buzzing. Truist Financial and others are issuing strongly positive forecasts for Broadcom stock, lifting price targets and maintaining buy ratings. We'll break down what this bullish outlook means for investors. You won't want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and let's dive in. Broadcom CEO's pay linked to explosive AI growth. /N/N get ready for a seismic shift in executive compensation. Broadcom CEO Hock E.'s latest long-term equity award is directly tied to the company's ambitious artificial intelligence revenue targets, signaling a massive bet on AI's future. The board has approved performance stock units that vest only if Broadcom achieves demanding AI revenue goals between fiscal 2028 and fiscal 2030, with payouts ranging from 0 to a staggering 300% of target if revenue surpasses $120 billion. This high-stakes move underscores Broadcom's aggressive push into AI accelerators and custom silicon, positioning Hock E.'s leadership as critical through this unprecedented transformation driven by AI. The market is watching closely, especially after Broadcom secured a major AI chip deal with OpenAI, potentially challenging Nvidia's dominance. Analysts are already factoring in this competitive shift, with some cutting Nvidia's price forecasts. Broadcom stock has already surged over 45% year-to-date, reflecting investor confidence in its AI strategy and TAN's continued leadership through at least 2030. /N/N this move highlights the intense competition and strategic maneuvering in the AI chip market. Analysts and investors are keenly observing how Broadcom's AI offensive will impact market dynamics and its own stock performance. Some analysts are even suggesting Broadcom could be a more balanced play than Nvidia. Can Broadcom's AI strategy truly dethrone the current king? Find out next as we reveal how AVGO is stealing the spotlight from Nvidia stock. Broadcom's price action and market forecasts. /N/N after a period of impressive gains, Broadcom stock is currently experiencing some profit-taking, a common market phenomenon as investors reassess positions. However, the outlook remains decidedly bullish. Technical indicators suggest the stock is working to unwind overbought levels, a healthy sign for potential future growth. Crucially, Broadcom continues to trade above its 50-day simple moving average, a key support level, and maintains an upward trajectory on its short-term trend line. Analysts are projecting a rise to a resistance level of $374.50, provided it stays stable above $317.35. This forecast is part of a broader market analysis that also shows positive momentum for Chevron Corporation and Horton, Inc., while Dominion Energy, Inc., faces a bearish outlook. The overall sentiment for Broadcom is optimistic, with expectations of renewed upward movement. /N/N this technical analysis provides a clear picture of Broadcom's immediate trading potential. With key support levels holding firm and analyst targets set higher, the market is signaling continued strength for AVGO. /N/N, but is Broadcom's rise just a technical play, or is it fundamentally reshaping the AI landscape? Get ready, because next we're diving into how AVGO is directly challenging Nvidia. Broadcom's ascent, challenging Nvidia's AI dominance. /N/N Nvidia has long been the undisputed champion of the AI semiconductor world, but a formidable challenger has emerged: Broadcom. Market analysts are now proclaiming Nvidia is no longer the only choice, as Broadcom begins to steal the spotlight with its impressive stock performance and diversified revenue streams. Since the start of the year, Broadcom shares have surged approximately 44%, nearly double Nvidia's gain, indicating a significant shift in investor sentiment. This isn't just about share price. Broadcom's strategic acquisition of VMware has propelled its infrastructure software revenue, contributing to record quarterly sales. CEO Hock E highlights AI accelerators, networking, and VMware as key growth drivers. With robust gross margins and accelerating free cash flow, Broadcom is making a strong case for inclusion among the elite, Magnificent Seven tech stocks, even surpassing Tesla in market value. Its growing influence is also evident in its increased weighting in the Nasdaq 100, making it a pivotal player in the tech sector. /N/N the market is clearly responding to Broadcom's multifaceted growth strategy. Investors are seeking more balanced exposure to the AI boom, and AVGO is delivering. /N/N, and the good news keeps rolling in for Broadcom investors. Next, we reveal the latest bullish price targets from Wall Street analysts. Wall Street bullish on Broadcom. Price targets soar. /N analysts on Wall Street are issuing glowing reports for Broadcom, with multiple firms significantly boosting their price targets. Truist Financial has raised its outlook from $295 to $365, maintaining a strong buy rating. This follows similar upgrades from Sanford C. Bernstein, which lifted its target to $400, and Oppenheimer, now at $360. UBS Group and Benchmark have also joined the chorus of optimism, setting new price objectives at $345 and $385 respectively. The consensus among analysts, as tracked by Qualcomm Pulse, is a resounding buy with an average price target of $351.92. This positive sentiment is supported by Broadcom's recent financial performance, including beating earnings expectations and reporting a 22% year-over-year revenue increase, driven by its AI accelerators, networking, and VMware software. Despite some insider selling, institutional investors have increased their holdings, reflecting confidence in the semiconductor giant's future prospects. /N/N, this wave of analyst upgrades underscores Broadcom's strategic positioning and strong financial execution. The market's confidence is palpable, setting the stage for potential continued growth. /N/N, that's all the market movers for today. But don't go anywhere. We've got a lightning round recap of all the top stories and your full call to action coming up next. And that's a wrap on today's Qualcomm Pulse. We saw Broadcom CEO Hock E pay tide to AI revenue, the latest stock forecasts for Broadcom and more, Broadcom challenging Nvidia in the AI chip race, and a surge of bullish analyst ratings for AVGO. Don't miss out on the next pulse of the market. Like this video, subscribe to Qualcomm Pulse for all your tech and market insights, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Follow us on all social platforms for more real-time market news.